When the gold's too deep and you're boulder bound, it's time for Boulder Blasting. Let's see, we've got 2 charges. It's possible only one will go off. The blast cord was damaged on the last explosive eruption. Don't try this at home. Be safe, back up, fly rock. It's no joke.
3, 2, 1, fire go!
Looks like we split the boulder really well, all the way through and across. The pry bar and the shovel just ain't enough. We're gonna resort to this. Figured I could split it into 3 pieces is my hope.
Fire go! Woo!
High-powered explosive burst. We'll put more pressure on the sides, helping it split apart like this.
Oh!
So actually this is about as good as you can hope for. This is an old rock we busted in a previous video. Here we have Senor Boulder, which is no more. Wow, that did a great job. Split down the middle, kind of like a crosshair. Blew multiple pieces off. We have fly rock there, here, here. Oh, this big one made it all the way over here.
Fire go!
Man, gold is something else. I've been struggling with this boulder here for, I don't know, about 2 days now. The gravel around it tests out pretty good. This guy's longer than me. It's like 6 feet long, 4.5 to 5 feet deep, by just as much wide. It's quite the behemoth.
1, fire the hole!
We're always on the endless hunt for bedrock. How deep it goes, nobody knows.
Oh!
Oh, holy good gracious of Gumdrop Nation. Good Lord. Now that was something. Wow, I wish you guys could have seen that. There was, holy Nikes. It's a massive fly rock, good 30 feet high.
Oh! Oh!
Tried to set up a deflection rod, wood here, to protect it as best we can. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh, that was awesome. And 1 main charge. 3, 2, 1. Blast trigger. Need you to count it down, honey.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire though! Time for one more boom.
Fire the hole!
Man, this granite is something else, man. It's fairly coarse-grained, quartz-rich. You can see here. I mean, it's nearly solid quartz. It's got a little bit of biotite. We got some plagioclase. Wild stuff. Super hard. Finally, we blew her up. All right, can't wait to see what we got. Thanks for watching.